Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and on the turntable we have the first Husky model on my channel. Husky was a brand of Metoy Playcraft Limited based in Wales, who also made the large-scale Corgi models. The Husky line was introduced in 1964 and lasted up to 1970 when Metoy considered two dogs were a bit too much and changed the name to Corgi Jr. Here we have the Husky model number 19 Commer Walk-Thru van. A 60s model of the popular delivery van, complete with opening side doors and a driver, which is cast into the bottom plate. The model was issued in red and lime green. The green model, however, retained the red plastic doors, which resulted in this odd green-red color combination. This model has been painted over by one of its previous owners, getting paint on the doors and wheels, but oddly not on the windows. The amateur paint job is flaking, revealing the original lime green color underneath. There's also a problem with the rear suspension and a crack in the roof window, which I unfortunately won't be able to fix. Nevertheless, a nice little model that deserves a restoration. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. This Commer Walk-Thru van by Husky saw the light of day somewhere in the late 60s and had quite an eventful life. It lost its rear suspension cushion, has a crack in the roof window, and it has been painted over in light blue. Time for a restoration and a well-deserved retirement. And here is the van after restoration. I tried to match the original lime green paint as best as I could with a mixture of yellow, green and brown. The wheels and doors have been cleaned, the window polished, and I managed to fashion a new suspension out of some old electrical wiring. The crack in the roof window will remain as a witness of its eventful life. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. If you want to support my work, you can become a member on my Ko-fi page. Members can download all the decal files I make for my projects and receive access to a gallery of my upcoming restorations and behind the scenes pictures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.